Black concrete, let's go down over here in Connecticut. Go down to this block right here, this L shape. Be able to locate this pretty easily. And when you get there, from this block right here, you're gonna go down by 1, and then you're gonna go left by 1, and then you're gonna go from this block right by 1, down by 1. Hold up. All right. Right by 2, upright, right by 2, or sorry, right by 1, up, right, up, and then from this block you're gonna go left by 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3. And that's what you should have so far. And you can go ahead and fill this in with, let me check my thing real quick. Blue. Should be blue. Hold up. Checking something. Yeah, okay. Fill that in with blue. This, I believe, is water, though. Do not fill that in. Say it later, but you can just go ahead and replace this block right here with a block of concrete, or black concrete, sorry. And there you go. That makes it look more distinct. I think this looks better. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Well, now, oops. Let me check one more time, make sure. This block right here, you're going to go down left by 1, right, or left by 3, down by 1, left by 1, and then from above here, you're going to go up by 2. Whoops, 1, 2, up right by 1, and then back, back down to this block, and then you're going to go left by 1, up left by 1, left by 3, down by 1, up by 1, left by 2, up by 1, left by 1, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down left by 1, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down left by 1, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down left by 1, or left by 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what you should have so far. Oh, and I forgot to fill this in. So you can go ahead and fill this in as well with blue concrete. And that should be Long Island-ish and New York City area done. All that stuff. I feel like this needs to be filled in. I don't think I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it in. I'll see if I messed up later. I think that looks right. But it might not be because it's an island, of course. Not really connected by land, but if I'm wrong, I'll consult it later. Yeah, this is what you should have. One, left by 1, and then up right by 2, down by 1, up right by 2, up right by 3 actually, 1, 2, 3, and then go left by 1, up by 2, left by 1, up by 1, right by 1, and now we do up right by 1, right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just make sure that's right. I mean, it obviously is, but I think kind of weird. Yeah, okay, 9. So that should be a row of 10 altogether, but we added 9 blocks to it. So now go up right by 2, 1, 2, right by 1, up right by 1, up by 2, up left by 1, up by 1, up right by 1, right, up, right, up, right, up, right. Might have went through that a little fast, but this is what you should have. Let me just zoom out of the way. What the heck? So you should have at this point. Hopefully that wasn't too fast. Anyway, from this block, you're going to go up right by 1, right by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go up right by 1, right by 1. And that is the state of New York border complete. Now onto the flag. So you should have... I'm taking this out. I think it looks better without it, in a way. Yeah, I think that's probably right. Alright, anyway. This 2 should be pretty easy to locate, because this isn't a very big scale. Anyway, from here, I'm going to go... Make sure you guys know. Whoops. Well, that kind of makes it easier to see. From that block, right there, in New York, like the center-ish, we're going to do right by 1 with brown, down with cyan, down by 2 with light gray, down by 1 with light blue, left by 1 with light blue, and then I go over here on this side. You're gonna do pink. Then you're gonna go down by 1 with white. Then you're gonna go right by 3 with white concrete. Then you're gonna go up by 1 with yellow. And keeping your yellow out, you're gonna go right by 1, up by 1. And then from this yellow, you're gonna go right by 1 with light gray. And from this yellow, you're gonna go left by 1 with green concrete. And then finally, with cyan, you're gonna finish this layer with cyan right there. This is what you should have so far. I mean, might be harder to see, but